Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the concept of security in network file system. So basically, I hope everyone knows that security is one of the most important thing. Okay, yes. So hence, security is one of the most important concern when exchanging of data is done. Hence, it can be achieved by establishing the secured channels. Okay, giving access right to the client. So these are the two common methods which most of the will be using, guys. Okay, so by adding some change to the architecture, so this architecture we have already discussed, guys. So we are having the system call. After the system call, we'll be sending the request to virtual file system. So without directly moving on to the local files, here we will be checking the access controls, guys. So access controls will be for owner, group, and we know we have an idea about accesses, right? So all those access controls will be here, and based on those access controls only you can access the local files. If you want to pass it to the server, you can pass it without any issue, and at the server side, before entering into the local files, the access will be checked. So just based on this accesses only, you can enter into the files. So that here we are strongly making it secured, guys. So you can write this flow in your own words, guys. Okay, so the same story you can write. So it is moving from top to bottom. Here the access controls will be done, everything will be checked and all those things. Okay, so access control in simple words you can say it is nothing but authentication, guys, or authorization in NFS is analogically to secure the RPC. Okay, so if you ask me about some kind of groups like the users and processes, we are having the users. So these are the users, guys, like owner, group, everyone, and these are some kind of operations you can say. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some, guys. There is nothing to remember in this, guys. If it is asked, you can write some according to your memory, but don't just remember all these things, guys. It is of no use. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea. So in the next lecture, we will be starting with the distributed web-based system, guys. So we'll be moving on to web. Okay. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us meet. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.